Are you struggling to keep your business finances organized in QuickBooks Online? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to record a deposit the right way, so your books stay accurate and your reports remain crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in logging every deposit without confusion. Let's dive in. Recording a deposit in QuickBooks Online isn't just about adding money. It's about keeping your financial records clean and error-free. Here's how to do it step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. On the dashboard, look for the plus new button located on the left menu or the top navigation bar. Click it. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Deposit. Now, you'll land on the bank deposit screen. At the top, choose the bank account where the money is being deposited. This is very important because selecting the wrong account can mess up your reconciliation later. Next, set the deposit date to match when the funds actually hit your account. This helps your books match your bank statement perfectly. Under Received From, select the customer, donor, or payer who sent you the money. In the Payment Method field, choose how the payment was made, like cash, check, or bank transfer. Then, pick the income account or category that best matches the deposit. For example, sales income, service revenue, or any custom category you've set up. Add a description if needed. This will help you or your accountant remember the purpose of this deposit. Now, enter the payment amount. If you're depositing multiple checks or payments together, you can list each one separately, and QuickBooks will total them up for you automatically. Once everything looks good, scroll down to double-check all details, especially the bank account, date, and amounts. Then click Save and Close, or Save and New if you want to add another deposit right away. And that's it. Your deposit is now recorded properly, and your income reports will reflect the correct amount without duplicates or confusion. Recording deposits accurately in QuickBooks Online is crucial for keeping your books clean and your business audit ready. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step QuickBooks tutorials. Got any questions or specific QuickBooks tasks you'd like me to cover? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.